Oh, Sammy, you figured out how to do it. Marcus, you still haven't figured it out, huh? Right, Marky? Oh, Sammy got his, Marky. Did you get it? Go get it! Bring it here, bring it here, bring it here! I know, you want Sam's, because Sam figured out how to work his. Right, Marcus? No, you want Sammy, huh? Oh, you. Trouble. Sam. Okay, you kind of figured it out, but not quite. Marky. Right, Marcus? Go get it. No, you want Sam's, huh? Yeah, you want Sam's because Sam's works. Hi, Sam. Get that one, Sam. We're going, Marky. See, Sammy can work them. Marky, you're too little.